What if you had the power to control light?
What started as an idea for a solid-state dimming switch developed into a worldwide lighting control company.
Lutron produces energy-efficient lighting and window shade systems that work with the sun, as well as smart lighting you can control remotely for your home. With new ideas on the horizon, Lutron is looking for skilled and talented individuals to transform how we light our lives.
The one word I would use to describe Lutron is innovative. We are constantly launching new products. We are redefining ourselves and the way our customers interact with our products. We look for a lot of things in our employees. We value flexibility, hands-on skills, problem solving, and a willingness to try new things. Manufacturing is cool. I get to work with lasers and robots and really great people. Every day we get to take these tiny little pieces that have a very limited use, put them together, and the next thing you know, we have something that can create magic.
A teacher of mine while attending LCTI inspired me to get into the manufacturing side of things. I started off entering Lutron as a technical assistant. They helped fund me to go back to school for an industrial automation degree, which has led me to this position as an equipment support technician. I've been to plays on Broadway and Madison Square Garden to watch the Knicks play. You see how the lighting plays a big part of the mood in the room.
I like working for Lutron because of their culture. They treat you like family. Lighting is important because it lights up our world. Without lighting, we'd be in the dark.
We build panels and products that help lighten the houses and the businesses for millions of customers all over the world. One of the Lutron products that I personally use is Caseta. I was able to turn off and on my lights at home while I was overseas in North Africa. Lutron is a great place to work. It's a company that takes care of people. Anything around us, it comes from manufacturing. And so manufacturing is the future.
How will you brighten the future?